I am fearless. This is not a story of any one's strength, but of a triumph so great it lies within us all. I yearned to explore the distant lands, to touch the clouds that paint the sky, tormented by one thing.
So as you can see, we are now in Amity Speedway. Apologies for lack of dialogue this morning, but we just wanted to rush into the park and get straight into that Hyperia queue, which I can tell you in total from us joining the queue this morning took in total 6 hours getting on, but our first ride on there was a back row ride, so what more can you ask for after waiting all that time? It was absolutely amazing. Obviously you can't judge it after just one ride, but after that one ride I'm pretty confident in saying it's probably the UK's best roller coaster now. Don't know where it goes in my rankings of all the ones I've done, but it's definitely up there. Just waiting for Stealth to come past. Only thing to note with Hyperia is because of where it's angled, and the only really bit of it you can see is from the plaza area and that little bit of the queue line, because the queue line doesn't really go right back. Where the sun is in the morning, it's quite difficult to get shots, as you'll probably have seen in the footage. I mean, it looked alright on the camera, but I know full well when I put it on the computer it won't be as nice as I'd have liked. But like I say, we're going to go back round there later today, hopefully get another ride in it and take some more shots for you. But it's absolutely beautiful day here, perfect day for the opening day of it. Like I say, I'm a bit lost for words honestly. After waiting that long and his legs were hurting and we were getting tired, it was definitely took a massive shock to us when we got on it and just realised how good of a coaster it was. It was absolutely amazing. So yeah, I'm a bit speechless at the moment with how good it was. But I think it'd be rude to not have a ride on Stealth, like it's only on 10 minutes. I think most of the rides in the park are only on 10, 15, 20 minutes tops. So do a few more rides and then I think we'll head his way over there. Like I say, we're not having a heavy ride focused day today, and we're here tomorrow as well to hopefully get some more rides on Hyperia and the rest of the rides here at the resort. So yeah, I'm going to stop waffling now and I think we'll go and make our way on to Stealth. currently saying about 3-hour queue for Hyperia, which, I don't know, I'd say maybe about right, maybe a bit less. We just asked them what time they're thinking of closing the queue, because obviously they said they like to keep it open till 8, but with how it's been recently at most Merlin parks and most other parks we've been to, they seem to be closing them a little early because they don't want it to drag on until like after o'clock tonight. So yeah, I don't want to leave it too late and miss out on a second ride. So, I mean, we are here again tomorrow, so that's not too much of an issue, but obviously I'd like to try and get on it again today, because like I said, I'd definitely like to have a second ride on it. So yeah, I think we're going to leave it about another 45 minutes or so till about 6 o'clock, half 6. And then we're going to go and get in the queue and hopefully make sure we get that second ride in it. But absolutely amazing coaster. And videos don't do it justice. From the videos I've seen of it testing and from the media event, when you get on it, honestly, it's absolutely amazing. So definitely make sure you come down and ride it. It's not one to be missed. The shops are a bit awkward to get off it. There's not really any good places. Obviously, the plaza that they originally proposed to build got scrapped out of the plan, so whether that'll come at a later date, hopefully it will, because we'll get some really nice shots of it down that back end, which you can't really see very well, especially that turnaround section. But I'm going to have another wander around the plaza area, see if there's any other shots that I can get that I've missed for you, and we'll just see what happens. So that's it from us here today at Thorpe Park. Had a great last ride on Hyperia again to end the day. Overall, my initial thoughts of after 2 rides, probably definitely the best coaster in the UK, 100% hands down. Although it's just a shame it hasn't been finished completely. To me, there's a lot of landscaping work and stuff that still needs doing. A few wires in the station you can see and stuff that hasn't been tidied, so it's obvious that it's not finished yet, but hopefully they'll sort that out over the next few months and the rest of the season. But overall, definitely probably going to be a top 10 coaster for me. Well, I hope you've all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. We'll be back here again tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to take any videos or not. Might put some videos in and do a short video tomorrow, but maybe not, I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.